we visited my sister's and my sister and my father here in the cemetery. This is the way going back home to the There are lots of coconut trees. Look, coconut trees. A very peaceful place, guys. Lots of coconut trees, and there is a baboy there. Baboy. That one. Oops, bigat ni Impress. And stop na. A carabao. Look. Big black carabao there. My gulay. Sharing you guys a big black carabao eating grasses. Look, Kuya Fred. Oops, traffic. Yeah. You can see there are lots of puno. Lots of puno. Oh my god, we ride on Tura-Tura. We call this Tura-Tura. Hello. And there are lots of coconut trees along the way. This is what look like here in Barrio. Look at the houses of the Filipino people here. It's like a nipa hut, small nipa hut. And our bakod, our fence is made of buho. It's like bamboo. See, very simple. Simple living here. Simple house. Peaceful. There is and there are lots of coconut trees. One of their source of living here is making copras. They sell it as the copra is their main source of income. Fishing also, and farming. We're going home na, guys. See, it's so amazing. There are lots of coconut trees. Dogs. Chicken. Chicken everywhere. Oh my god. This is nice. What? Hindi ko napansin. Snake? There is a snake on the road. Coconut trees only in the Philippines. Riding in Tora-Tora only in the Philippines. Oh my god. Where? Kasoy, cashew tree. Cashew tree, guys. There are children, teenagers walking on they're from their school. Coconut trees. What? Awa ka dyan, baka tumalsi ka, mauna ka pa sa amin. Oh my god, rough road only in the Philippines. So they say that Philippines is so fun. to the highway na.